Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to turn off sounds on Realboxing 2. If you want to turn off the background sound on your Realboxing 2 application, then here's how you can do it. First, open the application on your device. Now, from the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top left. You'll be able to see the sound bar. Simply drag the slider towards the left-hand side menu, and then this will turn off your sound. You can also adjust the volume according to your requirement. Simply go ahead and drag the bar, and you should be able to control the sound effect on your Realboxing 2 game. Now that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.